When you're just learning SwiftUI, or if you have very simple needs, you're going to write navigation code like this. You make a navigation stack, then a navigation link inside that, with a title like Tap Me, for example, and then a destination view. So you might say text detail view. And sometimes that's absolutely the right thing, but it has a hidden problem. To see what it is, I'm going to make a real detail view that prints a message in its initializer when it's being created. So I'll say there's a struct called detail view, which conforms to view. In its body, I'm going to display a number given to this view. So I'll say we have a number int, and then in the body, I'll do text detail view some number. And now we'll initialize that with a default initializer, stashing number away, but also print the message out. So I'll say init with a number, and then print out creating detail view with that number being printed using string interpolation. And now we can use that in our NavigationLink code down here. Not just show text detail view. Let's do detail view number 556, for example. And I'm going to press Command R to build and run this code without pressing anything on the screen. I'm not going to tap the button. I'm just going to run the code back here and see what happens. Boom. Again, I haven't pressed Tap Me yet, but notice that in Xcode's debug area, it's saying creating detail view 556. And what's happening here is that just showing this navigation link on the screen is enough for SwiftUI to automatically create the detail view inside it. Doing that a few times is fine, doesn't matter very much. But what if you had something more complicated? For example, what if you had a list inside here? If I had like a list of 0 to 1,000 with I coming in, and inside there would be our button, and we'll navigate to the correct version of the I for each row we have, like number I like that, and now run the code back. And now you'll see it's made 18 instances, often twice on the way, of these views. So it's made a lot, made like 38 views by the looks of it already. 38 is correct, yeah. So it's doing a lot more work than necessary. Now, obviously, in our case, just printing a message out isn't much, but it could be making other objects inside there, which makes other objects, yada, yada, yada. It could make a lot of work isn't necessary. And so this is a problem when you have dynamic data. If it's static data, just navigate to the screen, that's fine. But dynamic data like this list with a loop is a problem. Now, fortunately, SwiftUI gives us a better solution. We can attach a presentation value to the navigation link. Let's look at that next.